So we're going to open our web browser and go to clarkfoxstl.com. That's going to direct us to the Foundation's website. There's the initiative section, and we want to go on the mass incarceration. Here it's going to pull up the page and it's going to show our history. We've been working on this project since the death of Michael Brown, and we wanted to better understand the system of mass incarceration. And so this ecosystem map really emerged to help us better understand the magnitude of the system. So you'll see that it's broken down into systems. Each color represents a different system. And it's fully interactive. We want to look at one loop. Now, the way you read this is that whatever is at the bottom of an arrow impacts what's at the top of the arrow with a negative or positive relationship. And so if we were to think about mandatory sentences, by clicking on this, you would see that it increases prison populations. And the increased prison populations increase how the media portrays criminality. And then that increases the tough on crime rhetoric. And tough on crime has a positive increase on longer sentences, which ultimately increases prison populations. So this is a pretty straightforward loop. There are some that are not as straightforward, but the more you work with this map, the more you get familiar with it, and it really shows you the full system. If you didn't want to interact with it, you could also print this out by going to the top of this page and clicking on the printable ecosystem map. It's a PDF version. Click on that and it would pull up the printable version that you could share with your coworkers or colleagues or just for your own use. But it really helps you to understand the systems that we are all working in.